Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a look at silver. In yesterday's video, we were really talking about the daily RSI. It was somewhere around 83, and we've been harping on the fact that we need to see some consolidation on that daily time frame, simply because we've moved too fast, too far, and that RSI needs to cool off, and it can only do that by moving sideways or by moving down. And when you move quickly to the upside, you don't have an opportunity to establish a lot of support. And we can see that we had a big move from 1846 all the way up to 19.7. We had a nice bull flag, been chopping around a little bit, and we got this high. We got a higher high right after yesterday's video was published. We get a lower high, which is really the component of a head and shoulders. And this is not necessarily head and shoulders, but that is what's happening. You're getting a high, higher high, lower high, showing weakness, and then that weakness capitulates, and then you see a drop to the downside. So that is essentially what has happened. And for me, it was all about losing this hourly uptrend, 1917. If we lost that level, we would be looking for more downside action. So lower high, loss of 1917, a little bit of a bear flag, rejection from our EMA 1226 continuation, or conjunction rather, and then just pretty much a straight drop into another hourly bear flag. Got a nice bounce off of 1846, but we need to see if anything is going to come out of this, because right now it is a much needed consolidation. So let's go check out the daily time frame, see what that looks like. Big red candle, almost too big. I would not like to see something like this. I want to see smaller stair-step movements. But you ask for consolidation, and sometimes you get it, and there's our RSI. We dropped almost 20 points in a day. So it's pretty amazing what can happen. When you move up quickly, you fall down quickly. That's a lesson that we need to just keep reminding ourselves, and that is why we use stop losses. Always be using your stop losses. So what comes next? That is always the question. Hourly trend is currently to the downside. Our next low is going to be 1846, so bulls need to stay above that level if they want to hope for upside continuation. Should they lose 1846, we do have a base of support around 1825, 1824, something in there, and then another one around 18 psychological. So we can look for those to come into play. That would take us on the 4-hour time frame. So right around there, 18. Our next 4-hour support is going to be down at 17.49. So that will be something to watch. And below that, 16.92. So on the 4-hour time frame, we need to be paying very close attention. If we get a bounce and we get a lower high, that is just going to be a repeat of what we saw happening here. High, higher high, lower high, possibly manifesting itself over here on the 4-hour time frame. 18.63, 19.62, possible lower high, maybe find support or resistance rather at 1917 for more downside continuation. But that is what we're looking at right now. I hope you guys are using your stop losses and taking advantage of these opportunities, but also protecting yourself, because that is what it's all about. If you like trading commodities, I want to trade them with you. Come check out the chart guys. We've got a couple spots just for awesome commodities traders and people who are into silver and gold. And I hope you check it out and you consider visiting us. And I do appreciate you watching these videos. I make them just for you guys. So yeah, have a good day. All right, see you later.